everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Unit 8, Food. In this unit, we learned how to say 배고프다. I'm hungry. 목말라. I'm thirsty. We also learned how to say 나 배고파. 치킨 먹을래. I'm hungry. I want chicken. We also learned how to say what do you want? 너는 무엇을 원해? We learned the different names of food like ice cream, pizza, rice, and so much more. We learned how to say I want cake. I don't want fish. 물어볼 때는 we say do you want cake? 너 케이크 원해? 대답할 때는 yes, I do 또는 no, I don't. Finally, we learned how to say different action words. 동사들을 배웠죠? 예를 들면, for example, brush my teeth. Eat pizza. Drink milk. And wash my hands. I'm ready to start homework. How about you? Let's go! On page 57, the directions say to write. We will use hungry, 배고프다, or thirsty, 목마르다. Number 1, we see Jenny's thinking about pizza. Yum! So we will write, I'm hungry. In number 2, Scott's thinking about something to drink. I'm thirsty. For numbers 3 and 4, I would like you to write your answer and we'll check together. Ready to check? In number 3, Andy's thinking about water. We will write, I'm thirsty. In number 4, Kate's thinking about food. We will write, I'm hungry. Great job. In part B, we need to trace and write. Oh, we have you're welcome, thank you, here you are. In number 1, we see him giving the soccer ball to this kid. 여기, here you are. Let's trace. 그럼 이 친구 받고 나서 뭐라고 할까? 고마워요. Thank you. And 마지막, 이분은 별 말씀이요. You're welcome. Remember, your는 you plus are 합치면 your. Great job. Let's go to the next page. On page 58, the directions say to write. We will write the name of the food or the fruit. Number 1 is a sandwich. Number 2 is a 힌트 주면 색깔이랑 과일 이름이 똑같아요. Good. This is an orange. Number 3, 야채 많이 들어가 있는 거는 salad. And last, number 4, 바나나죠. Banana. If we see S-O-D-A, I'm thirsty. I want a soda. 칠성이나 콜라, 펩시 같은 것들이 다 soda 맞죠? In part B, we need to look and circle. We will write the answer to the question. What do you want? 너는 무엇을 원해? For number 1, 2, 3, and 4, I would like you to do it by yourself. Then we'll check your answers. Are you ready to check? Number 1, what do you want? A robot. Number 2, what do you want? A banana. Number 3, what do you want? A soda. 쉽죠? 바로 여기 캔의 위에 바로 있죠? Number 4, what do you want? An eraser. Great job. Let's go to the next page. On page 59, the directions say to trace, write, and circle. Number 1, 질문을 먼저 물어봐야죠. What do you want? 너는 무엇을 원해? Let's trace. I want an egg. 계란을 원해. So we'll circle an egg. Numbers 2, 3, and 4, I'd like you to do it by yourself. Then we'll check your answers together. Are you ready? Number 2, what do you want? I want a soda. Number 3, what do you want? I want a sandwich. And number 4, what do you want? I want a banana. Part D, we need to read and circle. What do you want? I want a banana and an orange. 그러면 바나나 그리고 오렌지 있는 사진을 선택할 거예요. 여기는 banana 있지만 이거는 쿠키는 아니죠. So we'll circle banana and an orange. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, I'd like you to do it by yourself. Ready to check? Number 2. I want a sandwich and a salad. Sandwich and a salad. Number 3. I want an orange and a banana. Number 4. I want a milkshake and a cookie. Yum! Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 60, the directions say to unscramble, write, and match. Number 1, we have a picture of ice cream. And we will match. Number 2, I'll give you a hint. It starts with a P. Number 3 starts with an R. And number 5 starts with a CH. Fill in the rest of the word and match it to the picture. Ready to check? Number 3 is a pizza, right here. Number 4 is rice, pop. Number 4 is chicken, 닭. Yum. In part B, we need to write. We will look at the picture of what they want and what they don't want. 원하는 거랑 원하지 않은 거. What does he want? He says, I want cake. I don't want bread. bread은 빵이죠. Number 2. I 원해요. Want fish. 생선. I don't want 우유. Milk. I don't want milk. And number 3. I want pizza. I don't want. 어떻게 이것을 안 원할까요? I don't want chicken. Great job! Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 61, the directions say to read and circle. Number 1. Do you want bread? 빵 원해? 사진 보시면 이렇게 하고 있죠? So he would say, no, I don't. Numbers 2, 3, and 4, I would like you to do it by yourself. Ready to check? Number 2, do you want pizza? Yes, I do. Number 3, do you want cake? No, I don't. Number 4, do you want chicken? Yes, I do. Very good. In part D, we need to trace and match. I would like you to trace these words: brush my teeth, eat pizza, drink milk, wash my hands, and match it to the right picture. Are you ready to check your answers? Number 1. Brush my teeth. 이빨을 닦다. Eat pizza. 피자를 먹다. Drink milk. 우유를 마시다. And last, 마지막, wash my hands. 손을 씻다. Very good. Let's go to our last page. On page 62, the directions say to read and match. You will do this page by yourself. 간단하게 설명해주면 오늘의 phonic 소리는 the letter O. 오늘의 소리는 짧은 O입니다. Number 1, pot. 연결해주고. Number 2, top. 연결해주고. Number 3, dot. 연결해주고. Number 4, octopus. In part B, you need to write and circle. Write the word and circle the picture. 할 수 있죠? 화이팅! 우리 벌써 다 끝났어요. You did such a great job. We're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?